guys, well, you know it's the Madwhitejamaican. I'm doing a well overdue video, and it's in response to the Target Chic. You can click the link here. That's going to be her video. I'm going to put it right here. Her video. Or you can just look at her. She's pretty high. Alright, I'll get the details.
Look at that nice girl beside you. Look at that nice girl beside you. She's cute. That girl is cute. Wow. Girl is cute. The eyelashes is beautiful. You hear them? Your ear is fluffy and nice. Hello, sorry. You're handsome, so you know straight, you know. I like your straight nose. I like your straight nose, you know what I mean, man? And my girl, I like your fluffy eyes and, you know, I like everything on you.
Last time in Jamaica.
Yes.
To tell you the truth, it's been a while. I'll be honest with you. It's been about a good 3 years. I'll be...
You feel Clint Eastwood do it. You resemble Clint Eastwood.
Next weekend.
You resemble Clint Eastwood.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday. I'll be there from Friday to Sunday. I have a party in Angel Spanish Town, the crowning of Lisa Hype, so make sure when you're there.
You're kidding me? Yeah, she's great, she's great.
Make sure you are there.
I'm going to sexy. I'm going to get it out. Yeah.
October 15th in Angel Spanish Town. Make sure when you're there.
You resemble Clint Eastwood.
But 3 years ago was the last time I was in Jamaica.
You kidding?
One Jamaican dish you enjoy. To tell you the truth, I love Johnny cake.
You look cute.
Especially when you stuff it with bully beef.
I
do like rundown a lot.
I like.
Fried breadfruit.
I like.
Breadfruit.
I like.
Good thing about roast
I like.
Fried breadfruit is like,
oh my
love
God.
it. Can't tell a lie.
She look like Oprah. This girl look like Oprah.
This resembles my culture.
Yes. You look like Oprah, my girl. You're so beautiful. I look nice.
Right here.
She look like Oprah. Hug her up for me now. She look like Oprah.
And also, this shirt. It has nothing to do with Jamaica, I understand that. However, I do play...
Number 9, we're going to buy the cash pot.
I'm going to get number 9.
I'm going to buy the cash pot. I'm going to buy the cash pot. I'm going to win $1 million.
You're the star player. Like Messi.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
Messi.
When you coming down?
Anyhow, alright, it's said.
Oh, come on, come on.
But I actually gave them DOH and I can't sell to save my life.
Man, you look so cute. I like your nose. I like your nose. I like your nose, not your finger, your nose. And I like her ear.
No, not anything.
I like your nose and I like her ear.
Which part of Jamaica you come from? No.
I'm in Jamaica right now.
That's from Jamaica. Can look at me and say, alright. Is that I'm come from German town? No, I didn't come from...
I'm a Jamaican.
So that now it down to...
I am a Jamaican.
Constant Spring, Norbrook.
Yes. St. Mary. I'm from St. Mary, man.
Well, to tell you the truth, I am from Seaview Garden. I'm from Seaview Garden.
You know what I like? What are you?
I spent a little time in Port Norman.
Yeah. Alright.
No.
I want to come up from my country and get some swim soup. Jungle soup, we want to get jungle soup. I want you to come and get some jungle soup, man.
No, to tell you the God honest truth,
yes.
I'm from Norbrook.
You're kidding?
The street from Constant Spring. I actually
come on, man.
To buy some tasties patty.
I love myself, but I talk about it.
Me not cook. Alright? I would like to cook.
Here it is.
I found it.
Nobody cook because patty did it for you same way. Everything is here for you same way, yes. This girl is nice beside you. She's beautiful,
Good, come here. Alright, good for you.
Are you gonna leave me already?
No.
Don't leave me, man.
Which part did Jamaica from?
I'm from St. Mary.
Oh, skip one.
Yes, and she can get some jungle soup. I'm going to remember business and flash up, man.
Well, let me do something in there, if you got it.
She's cute.
Oh, favorite Jamaican.
Oh, she's so nice. Come down with the kids, you know, we're ready for you now. Am I here with you? They're not here with you.
Any of you ever hear that, or never hear it below?
Put it down there.
Put it below.
I bet you don't get no comment whenever I hear that thing.
Nobody else don't hear that.
Me say, me attack part one. No, me want. Am I here with you?
What do you mean?
Am I here with you?
You don't.
One cocoa. Are you serious?
No. Well, you know about one cocoa full basket. Oh, you know that. Who told you that?
Alright, next.
Sorry.
Alright, how about this?
Not from town, so we...
Hot, dead, and cold.
It is. Many rows across. And Jimmy can say many rows across. Jimmy can say many rows across. Cross the river, man. Jimmy can say that. Jimmy can say many rows across. Remember, Jimmy can say many rows across.
Just I have a German shepherd trying to play with my
Come on, man. You know street thing. I know street law.
Is that Jamaicans are so mixed like me, as white as I am.
You don't white.
Family members.
Come on.
The same way, and I have
Your girlfriend is so beautiful. Look at her eyes.
English, white, and everybody that welcome into the family is just looked at family and not color.
Don't watch color, man. The mind. You know what I mean, man? The mind.
Alright.
She's beautiful. Are you handsome? When are you coming down?
And that's it. Anything more in the Jamaican time?
Yeah. You're so cute.
Alright, well that's it for the Jamaican time.
Wait, enough girl than I want you.
Visiting me here.
Yeah.
Favorite part about
Enough girls want you and the man want her. Enough girls want you and the man want her.
everything.
Enough girls down here. Enough girls want her and the man want. Enough woman want you, man, and the man want she.
Alright, everybody, I hope you guys are having a great time.
No. Hurry up and come down.
Like I said, please, by all means, do a Jamaican tag video. It will, what will it do?
I don't know, it's fun for me.
It was fun for me. That was fun.
It was fun for me. Nice seeing you.
Yeah.
You're handsome and she attractive.
What you would like to see Madwhitejamaican cook?
Yes, that's a good one.
And we will have him cook.
Yeah.
And if you don't believe me, I can't.
And then we'll have a video of him cooking it. If it's Johnny Cake you want to see, Matt. The beloved Johnny Cake with Willie B.
The Johnny Cake. Johnny.
Yes.
What you know about that, girl? What you know about that?
Famous Jamaican Johnny Cake. Anyways, take care. See you guys.
And Django soup down here. Django. The shrimp, we call it. The shrimp, we call it Django.
Just to let you know, I am working on some movies right now.
I am working on you. I'm working on you.
Because the producers, I don't.
I'm working on you, man. I'm working on you.
Like that. But you ride with clappers.
No, clappers on Christmas time in Jamaica.
Goodbye,
We're working on love you. Mwah.
Bye. Bye.
You're so, my God, this, no easy, fucking man. You think you're